Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing video of HORIBA Yumizen E60 IFS solution 8 ml, reference number 4000065506. Over here we can see the brand name HORIBA, product name Yumizen E60 IFS solution. Here we can see the reference number is 4000065506 8 ml. Description: Yumizen E60 IFS solution is used for refilling of electrodes that measures Na plus of sodium, K plus of potassium, and chloride and ionized calcium. So here we can see the warning message and lot number, manufacturing date, expiry date. We can store at a normal room temperature 15 degrees Celsius to 13 degree for in vitro diagnostic use only. Here we can see the manufacturing address. This kit is manufacturing from Maharashtra, India. So the origin of the kit is India. This is the overall front view of this product. This is the top view. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking, we can see clearly. So here we can see clearly sodium, potassium, chloride and ionized calcium. So I am going to take this sodium. Here we can see clearly HORIBA Yumizen E60 IFS solution, a volume of 2 ml. Reference number is 4000065506, the volume of 2 ml. Sodium. The next one is potassium. HORIBA Yumizen E60 IFS solution, volume of 2 ml. And next one is chloride. HORIBA Yumizen E60 IFS solution, volume of 2 ml. Ionized calcium. HORIBA Yumizen E60 IFS solution, volume of 2 ml. So the all IFS solutions are 2 ml. I can show you. So 2 ml, 2 ml, 2 ml, 2 ml. So total of 8 ml. That is the box reference 8 ml. Each contain 2 ml. Sodium 2 ml, potassium 2 ml, chloride 2 ml and ionized calcium 2 ml. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about the HORIBA Yumizen E60 IFS solution. Reference number 4000065506. This kit contains sodium 2 ml, then potassium 2 ml, and next one is chloride 2 ml, and next one is ionized calcium 2 ml. So total of 8 ml. This is the overall view of this product. Thank you.